So one day, one of my customers at my sewing studio, at my sewing atelier, came to me and asked me if I can teach her to make a skirt. So instead of making a garment for her, she asked me to teach her to make a garment. It was one of my regular customers already for a few years, and we always created very unique, very original design for her. If you saw in my previous post those white coat with a wavy standing collar that goes to the wavy closure area, this was her. Or another picture with a bright green shirt with a very asymmetrical front part, like with a folding line on the one side and decorative stitches on the other side. This was also her. So when she approached me with this idea, I liked it very much, but at the same time, I understood that I have no teaching experience. I know how to make clothing, but how to teach person to make clothing, I didn't know yet. And I was needed to find a way how to build a very engaging curriculum that can lead my customer, my student, right, to her goal in the most efficient way and the fastest way. So it was a challenge for me. But with each class, I understood more and more how I can adjust my coaching program, how can I change the structure of each class in terms of correct combination of pattern making topics and the sewing techniques topics, to keep my student mostly motivated, focused, and also making sure that she's building her new skills and her confidence gradually, but with a moderate intensity. And with the very first successful steps of my student, I had this aha moment that by sharing my achievements, I can help other people to boost their talents and make their creative dream come true. So I began with private coaching, then I developed to the semi-private classes, and then I developed the program for a group coaching. And also I started providing a family creative sewing camp. These events not only help to ignite your creativity and develop your sewing and pattern making skills, but also unite a family around beautiful team building projects with a wearable finished results. So the reason why I am sharing this is that with the professional guidance, you can first of all clearly understand where you are now in your sewing journey. So what is your starting point? Then coach can help you understand also the missing skills up to the level where you are now. So for example, if you're proceeding to the learning how to make different garments and you still have problems with like straight stitching, for example, or with the setting proper thread tension for different types of fabrics, for different types of threads, different types of seams, also, then you need to fill in these gaps before you proceed to the more difficult level. Also, coach can help you understand what is your goal. So what is your destination point? For now, when you achieve this goal, you probably will create another goal. But what you would like to achieve now. If you don't have your goal, he will help you to form it. Because if you don't have a goal, you cannot build the road, right, to this goal. So it's very important to have the strategic road to your goal with a step-by-step instruction how to reach it. Because if you don't have any strategic plan, your overall sewing learning experience could be at big risk. Because from the one hand, you can start running in different directions and learning different tutorials, different projects without proceeding to the main goal, to the more difficult levels. And from the other hand, you can randomly jump over several steps in difficult levels. Like, for example, you just finished learning how to make a straight skirt, and the next project you want to make a coat. There's so many steps in difficulty levels between these two projects, between these two levels, that the lack of the knowledge will not let you complete this project properly, or most likely people just stop it in a halfway and put it aside until they reach the level when they will be ready to finish this project. And this is exactly why I provide a free initial consultation, free strategic session for all first-time students, where we can see all these steps, where they are now, what is their goal, if there are any missing skills and how to fill them, and we build personal strategic plan, like technological plan of different projects and tasks to achieve their goal. If you want to have this strategic plan for your personal solving learning experience, you're welcome to sign up for a free consultation with me. The link is in the description to this video. It's a form where you need to answer a few questions about your solving experience and also about your time zone. And then we will schedule the consultation. Also, after the consultation, if you will decide to move forward with my help, I will be happy to hold your hand and lead you to your solving goal, making sure that you achieve each step properly. If you decided to move on your own, you're also welcome. You will still have your strategic plan for your own development, for your own learning. So I'm looking forward to see you in my consultation. Stay focused, stay motivated. Bye for now, and see you soon.